Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. Today we got an awesome watch face app for you all to check out in the Gear Manager store that I think is worthy of a download and worthy of being in your lineup. With that being said, sit back, relax, and let's check out this review. All right, you all, let's kick off this watch face review. Now, the watch face app that we're going to download that I think is super awesome is called Photo Watch Gear. Now, you got to download it, of course, out of the Gear Manager store for your watch. And you also got to download the companion out of the Galaxy App Store and the Google Play Store as well. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's check this one out. I think it's a nice, fun watch face to use, to customize, to make your watch face to your liking. Now, with that being said, let's take a closer look at this. First, when you first download the app and you go into it, this is what you're going to be greeted with first. You really don't want to go into this unless you see some watch faces that you want to add. But we want to find out, how do you customize watch face apps on this app, right? That really makes this really cool. All right, we want to start from the beginning. So we want to get out of some of the things that I've been pre-playing with before I get started with this review. Now, first, that's the home screen. You got the settings. So you got to tap here to choose the English. And if you go here, it has a few different ones that you could choose from. And also you tap here on the watch and then you go into whatever watch that you're using. So once you get through choosing your watch, you come out and we also can go here. Now, these are some of the pre-made watch faces that I created. Now, if I want to choose one, choose a different one than what I have already that's on the watch face already, I can, or I can get rid of them. Tap here. This is like templates that I could start off using to start creating some of the watch faces that I want to create. Now here, that's going to send it over to the watch face when you're finished and done. All right. So with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's kick this off. Now, first off, we want to hit item. And if I want to, I can go choose the index, digital time, date. Also, I got watch hands. I could choose separate ones. If I want to customize them, I can. I could choose analog time. And you got your battery level. You got text that you can choose to put into your watch if you want. You can also go into choosing the image, and you got moon phase. All right. So with that being said, if I want to choose a picture or photo, I can go here to my gallery or my Google Photos if I so choose, or whatever app that I got on my phone that's listed here, I can go into. Now, but let's get started. Let's choose a basic watch face app. First of all, I go into the list. I got many different themes that I could choose from if I want to start off my watch face. We're going to continue to keep the one that we have, right? So I'm going to go into add item. Now, I don't want a battery here because I'm going to create a premium watch face. But as you see, you can put the battery meter wherever you want. And if you don't want it, once you finish, you can just hit the X and you can get rid of it. Now, we want to choose, of course, the index first. First and foremost, choose type. Go in, choose the one you want to choose. You got many to choose from. You got numbers as well. But I like this one, right, for a premium watch face. So we're going to start off there. Now, I don't like the color. I want the color to be, let's say, white. I could choose white. I could choose red. I could choose whatever color I want to choose. But we want white. Now, once I'm finished, I can come over and choose my analog hands. So if I could choose digital. And as you can see, this is how digital comes up. You can move it around. You can make it smaller, bigger if you want to. That's going to be up to you. But we don't want digital time. We're going to choose analog time. Go here. And we want to choose whatever hands we want to choose. We want to choose a premium one. I could choose this one if I want. Or maybe this one. Or maybe that one. How about that one? We'll leave that one in. No. We kind of like this one. All right. So with that being said, we come out, we're finished with the hands. It doesn't give us a chance to choose colors or anything, but if you want to make it bigger or smaller, you can. And we want to choose text. Now we like text because we want to put in our name, tap on text, go all the way back, start from the beginning. I want to put in Huck's World. And once I do that, let me go back and I can put it wherever I want to put it. Size it up correctly. Now, I don't like the font, so I can go in and choose whatever font I want to choose. Gives you many to choose from, and I'm going to choose the default. Now, what I want to do is I don't want it that big, so I got to keep tapping to minimize the text. I'm going to go down till we get to the one we like. The size anyway. And I'm trying to size it up as perfect as possible. And once I get there, I can choose the color. We don't want it to be that color. We're going to choose white as a basic color, just to start off with. And you can choose whatever color you want to choose. However you see fit would be good with you. And now, I think we're done, right? We don't want to add a moon phase, but I want to show you what the moon phase will look like. And you can put it wherever you want to put it. You can put it over here in the corner. Of course, you can make it smaller if you want to. But remember, we're making a premium watch face, so I don't want that one. I'm going to tap the X to get out of it. Now, we can add shortcuts, and I like this, right? Tap here, tap on the empty circle. You can choose whichever one you want to choose, right? We're going to choose Spotify. Let's choose the next one. And we want to choose, of course, my S Health. Got to have that one in there, right? And let's choose another one. Let's choose email and one more. And let that be, how about my weather? All right, so with that being said, now we got a place to tap into so far as shortcuts are concerned, and we're all set. So once I'm finished with this, now all I simply got to do is send it over to the watch. And we're going to cut it on so you can see a change. And it's not bad. You hit save. It's pretty quick too as well. It's been updated so it has a different look than it did when I first downloaded this app. So let's let it download. Now, that was pretty quick. For me, that Hux Swirl isn't centered enough, and here it's not showing it right, so I think they still got some updating to do. But we do want to go ahead and go into that and move it over just a little bit more, just to see if this comes over. It just doesn't seem centered to me. And when I'm done, tap save again, and then I can send it. And it's pretty quick, not bad at all. I do like the look of this, and it did even it out a little bit. It's weird, doesn't match up here, but here it looks exactly the way I want it. Now, if I want to, I can change the color at any given time, but I'm quite sure you want to see what it looks like with a face on here or a different background. So let's go back, let's tap here, and we're going to go to gallery, and we're going to choose a face. We're going to this one. And can I blow that one up? We'll see in a second. Now I'm here. I could choose to leave Hux Swirl right there, but if not, I can get rid of it. Get rid of the text. Maybe I don't want the analog hands. I can get rid of that. And let's get rid of the index as well, because now we want to change this to a digital watch face. Now go ahead, hit item, hit digital. I want to put the digital time over here, and I want to minimize it. I think that's big enough for me. I want to change the color to, of course, white, maybe red. How about red? And red stands out a little bit more. And there you go. Now you have a nice digital photo watch face. Again, I thought this was a nice app to have. $249 in the Gear Manager store, Google Play Store. Is it worth the price? At the end of the day, people, it's going to be totally up to you. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. I thought it was pretty cool, but at the end of the day, it is always about you. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.